The AI revolution is here. Lights, camera, action. Yo, what's up everybody? It's your tech man William here from How to King, and let's talk AI video creation. This isn't some futuristic fantasy, it's happening right now. And we're talking about using artificial intelligence to make videos, from scripting to editing, all with incredible tools that are completely free. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, AI is changing the game, and the best part is, you don't need a Hollywood budget to get started. Think about it. AI can write your script, create a voiceover, even find the perfect footage. All you have to do is bring the creativity. It's like having a whole production crew at your fingertips, powered by algorithms and ready to go. This is a game changer, guys, and I'm hyped to break it down for you. So buckle up. We're diving deep into the world of free AI video creation. We're going to explore the tools and techniques that will have you making professional-looking videos in no time. No more excuses about expensive software or lack of experience. AI is leveling the playing field, and it's time to get involved. Let's jump right in. Scripting Magic ChatGPT as your screenwriter. First up, let's talk about the foundation of any good video, the script. Now, you might be thinking writing a script is hard, but hold on. That's where ChatGPT swoops in to save the day. ChatGPT is this crazy, powerful AI tool that can generate text, answer questions, and even write entire scripts for you. Think of it like this. You tell ChatGPT your video idea, maybe give it some keywords or a brief outline, and bam! It spits out a script tailored to your needs. It's like having a brainstorming partner who's always full of ideas and never gets tired of typing. You can refine the script, tweak the dialogue, and make it your own, but ChatGPT takes care of the heavy lifting. Seriously, this thing is a game changer for anyone who's ever struggled with writer's block or just wanted to streamline the scripting process. It's free, it's easy to use, and it'll have you churning out scripts like a pro in no time. Once you've got your script locked in, it's time to give it a voice, and that's where things get even more interesting. Finding your voice AI-powered voiceovers with Murf.ai. Now that you've got a killer script, it's time to bring it to life with a voiceover. But what if you don't have the perfect voice for the job? Or maybe you just don't want to use your own voice? No worries, Murf.ai has got you covered. This awesome AI tool lets you create natural-sounding voiceovers in minutes, all without needing a fancy recording studio. Murf.ai is incredibly user-friendly. Just paste your script, choose from a library of amazingly realistic AI voices, and boom, you've got a voiceover. You can even fine-tune the pacing, tone, and emphasis to get it just right. It's like having a whole cast of voice actors at your beck and call, all powered by AI. But that's not all. Murf.ai also lets you add sound effects and music to your video, giving you even more creative control. And the best part? It's free to try, so you can experiment with different voices and find the perfect fit for your video. With your script voiced and ready to go, it's time to find some visuals. Section 4. A visual feast. Free stock footage resources you can't miss. No video is complete without visuals, right? But high-quality footage can be expensive unless you know where to look. Luckily, there are tons of websites offering amazing free stock footage, and I'm going to share some of my favorites with you. First up, we've got Pexels and Pixabay, two giants in the free stock footage game. These websites have massive libraries of high-definition videos covering a wide range of subjects, from stunning landscapes to everyday cityscapes. You can search by keyword, category, or even color scheme to find the perfect footage for your video. And the best part, all the videos on Pexels and Pixabay are royalty-free, meaning you can use them in your personal and commercial projects without worrying about copyright issues. But wait, there's more. Other fantastic free stock footage websites like Videvo and Cover offer even more specialized content. Videvo is great for finding cinematic footage and motion graphics, while Cover specializes in beautiful drone shot footage. With so many amazing options available, you're sure to find the perfect visuals to bring your video to life. Section 5. Editing made easy. Free video. Editing software for beginners. Now comes the fun part, editing your video. Don't worry, you don't need to be a professional video editor to make this happen. There are some incredibly powerful and free video editing software options available that are perfect for beginners. Two of my top recommendations are Shotcut and DaVinci Resolve. Shotcut is a fantastic open source video editor that's available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. It's got all the essential editing tools you need, like cutting, trimming, and adding transitions, along with more advanced features like color correction and audio mixing. Don't let its simple interface fool you. Shotcut is a powerful tool capable of producing professional-looking videos. If you're looking for a more advanced option, DaVinci Resolve is the way to go. This professional-grade video editing software is free to use and offers a ridiculous amount of features, including advanced color grading, visual effects, and audio post-production tools. DaVinci Resolve might seem daunting at first, but there are tons of free tutorials available online to help you get started. Section 6. Lights, camera, export, bringing your AI video to life. You're almost there. Your video is edited and ready to share with the world. Now it's time to export your masterpiece. Both Shotcut and DaVinci Resolve offer a variety of export settings to ensure your video looks its best on different platforms. You can choose the resolution, frame rate, and file format that best suits your needs. For example, if you're uploading to YouTube, you'll want to choose a high-resolution setting like 1080p or even 4K. If you're sharing your video on social media, you might want to choose a smaller file size to ensure quick loading times. Experiment with different settings to find the perfect balance between video quality and file size. Once you've chosen your export settings, hit that export button and watch your AI-powered video come to life. Congratulations, you've just created a professional-looking video using free AI tools. Now go out there and share your masterpiece with the world. Section 7. The future is now embrace the power of AI video creation. As you can see, creating high-quality videos no longer requires expensive software or years of experience. Thanks to the power of AI, anyone with a computer and an internet connection can create professional-looking videos for free. This is a revolutionary time for content creators, and the possibilities are truly endless. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of AI video creation and see what you can create. Experiment with different tools, explore new techniques, and don't be afraid to push the boundaries. The future of video creation is here, and it's powered by AI. Peace out.